Walla Beats.
What's good, y'all? Y'all already know when I come through with the ooh. Oh man, I'm such a joke. Don't take me seriously, y'all. Today's topic is going to be about how to stay true to yourself as an artist. Y'all, this is coming from my own personal journey. This is coming from my own personal experience. And I think it's best to always speak off of experience because me sharing this with you.
Keep it low. Keep it low.
Thank you.
Welcome.
He just ruined my vlog, but it's okay. For the most part, how to stay true to yourself. You know, we get lost in our own sauce, we get lost in the mix, and it happens to the best of us. Stop trying to please people. Stop trying to please people. Trying to please people is going to drain you. It is going to suck that passion, that beautiful drive out of you. I know from personal experience because when I first started, I had clients and, you know, people weren't taking my brand as seriously as I would have wanted them to. And when I started this journey as an artist, you know, I didn't really know what to expect. I didn't know what I was doing. That's what I love about mistakes, because that's what's gonna help you grow as a person. But for the most part, I really think that it was me trying to please them and me trying to do what they wanted, and it became draining for me because I felt like I was putting in all this work, you know, for someone else, and I wasn't getting anything back in return. And you know, just try your best to do what drives you and what makes you passionate. If you're passionate about something, know for sure it's gonna get done. Know for sure you're gonna do what you gotta do to make sure that it's to the stature of your liking. Making sure that everything that you create has a story, that it has meaning, or even if it doesn't have a necessarily a story, because I feel like everything does. But if you feel like, well, I can't create a story out of this, then what was the struggle? Because that struggle itself is a story. And with all of these beautiful pieces behind me, each one of them has their own story. For example, this beauty right here. It reminds me of myself because her skin is pink. And y'all probably wondering like, dang, why is her skin pink? She was creepy, you know, I wanted to create something different because I feel like I'm unique, and I feel like we are all unique in our own beautiful way, and that's what makes us divine. Voila. This was a struggle story right here. This was also a struggle story, but this was more of me honing my skills as a painter. I paint more now than I have ever painted in my life, but I wasn't very fond of painting. I didn't really like painting like that. But now I live it. Your girl loves painting now, so that's dope. It's making sure you stay engaged with the people in which you are connected with, because that's a reminder to those people that you're still thinking of them, and that's a reminder that you appreciate them and that you respect them, and that you know, as someone with a brand, you expand your connectivity. We all need to connect with each other on a deeper level, whether it might be art, music, dancing, poetry. Staying engaged with your followers or staying engaged with the people who support you is the best way to stay true to yourself as an artist, and offering them things that make them feel good to be a part of your journey. And that's where I really think, you know, the most important thing comes from staying true to yourself as an artist. The most important thing is to believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself to the point where someone else's opinion cannot affect your ideologies of where you stand and where you are, that's when you truly become powerful. Because then they don't have any control to manipulate anything in your mind. You know for a fact that this is dope. You know what I'm saying? No one can take that away from you. And even if they try, they're just going to be a laughing stock. They're just going to be somebody you can just laugh at. You know what I'm saying? And that's the beauty of it. You know, just be powerful in self to know that although your journey may not be the smoothest, 'cause my journey ain't the smoothest, you know, we all have our struggles of coming up, but I think believing in yourself and, you know, you fall down, you get back up. You fall down, you get back up. And every time you get knocked down, you draw yourself right back to what it is that you love to do. And that's pretty much it, folks. And if you do like this video and you resonate with anything that I've said, please let me know in the comments below, and let me know if there's anything else that you guys, you know, have suggestions about regarding, you know, staying true to yourself as an artist, and maybe the struggles that you guys are going through, because I would love to definitely help you kind of, you know, move around that, because life can be hard and life can kick your ass. So yeah, for the most part, I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope you guys just stick with me because we got some things coming through. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and share.